Have you ever felt constantly tense, anxious, or like your body just can't relax? Standing barefoot on salt for just 10 minutes can reset your nervous system and shift your body from fight or flight mode into rest repair mode. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Your feet have over 7,000 nerve endings that connect directly to your vagus nerve. This nerve controls your parasympathetic nervous system, which governs rest, repair, and digestion. By standing barefoot on coarse salt, pressure points on your feet send a powerful "you're safe" signal to your brain. When you do this, your body immediately starts to release tension. Your heart rate slows. Your muscles relax. Mental chatter quiets. Cortisol levels drop. You can feel the shift as your nervous system moves into a state of healing. This isn't magic or woo-woo. It's applied neuroscience that anyone can do at home for just a few minutes a day. And you don't need any special tools. All you need is a large bowl or tray filled with coarse salt. It's in about 10 minutes to stand barefoot and breathe naturally. During the first couple of minutes, you may feel some discomfort as the pressure on your feet activates your nervous system. By minutes 3 to 5, your breathing deepens and tension begins to release. By minutes 6 through 10, you'll feel calm, grounded, and centered. Other ways to activate this rest and repair mode include walking barefoot on grass or sand, cold water on your face, slow box breathing, using a weighted blanket, humming or singing, or lying on the floor with full body contact. All of these actions send safety signals to your brain and help your body enter repair mode without medication or therapy. Practicing this daily for just 2 weeks can lead to a complete nervous system reset. Chronic stress, anxiety, and tension aren't just in your head. They are stored in your nervous system, and sensory input like salt grounding gives it what it has been missing. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.